100% every physiotherapist should do this course. As we all know that in bachelor's as well as some extent to masters also, what is taught is more of theoretical knowledge, but not the actual application in real life. So hence, every physiotherapist must do this course and also learn that there are not only few exercises but also a variety of exercises which can help the patient and how they can progress about. So when not to progress, when they can progress. And also this course not only boosts the professional career, but also personally it makes one so much contented as they're improving professionally also. And also how to deal, like how to talk to patients, how to communicate. So hence with their communication only, like half of the problems will get solved, like the half of the problems of the patient as well as of the physiotherapist also. Like many things, like the physiotherapist, they get confused regarding the diagnosis history, but with communication it can be solved. And also like regarding the course, that I would like to say is that it is a wonderful and excellent course, that itna creativity se the course is made that no one can ever get bored. Like ऐसे लग रहा है कि that some stories going on. And it will definitely, as you treat patients in bachelor's also, after internship, as masters also. So every physiotherapist will connect कि okay, I treated this patient, मुझे तभी ये issue आया था, but this exercise can help with that issue. This exercise can overcome that obstacle. ऐसे. So it will help you, like to like even in the past when you have faced certain difficulties, as well as future में, तो it's going to be a boost to all, like to yourself, as well as it will help to a lot of patients and to the community in general. That is what I would give a clear and loud message to all the physiotherapists.